Alright, let's dive feet first into a topic that stinks. Literally, foot odor. You know it, you dread it. Maybe you've spent years avoiding shoe-free zones at friends' houses. Ever been at a party and the host says, "Shoes off, please"? That's when I suddenly remember I left my oven on 3 miles away. Here's the deal. Foot odor isn't just about hygiene. Yes, washing helps, but for some of us, even after scrubbing like we're prepping for surgery, that funk just clings on like a clingy ex. Science time! The real culprit? Bacteria. Our feet have more sweat glands than anywhere else. When sweat meets bacteria, especially a breed called Brevibacterium, things get funky. Brevibacterium, it's like a funky jazz band jamming in your socks. Which explains why, after gym class, my sneakers could clear a room faster than a fire drill. So what's this mean for you? Chill out, it's not "you're dirty." It's a "your feet are a bacteria nightclub" thing. #1. Wash your feet daily with antibacterial soap. Get in between those toes. #2. Dry your feet thoroughly. Moisture is bacteria's favorite playground. #3. Use foot powders or sprays to soak up sweat and fight odor. #4. Rotate your shoes. Don't wear the same pair 2 days in a row. Let them air out. #5. Wear socks of natural fibers like cotton or wool. Avoid synthetics. #6. Soak your feet in black tea once a week. The tannins help kill bacteria and reduce sweating. #7. Still having trouble? Prescription strength antiperspirants and doctor options exist. Talk to your healthcare provider. Bonus tip: keep a travel-size foot spray in your bag for shoes off moments. You'll thank me later. Next time someone says, "shoes off," don't panic. With a few science-backed tricks, you'll kick your shoes off with confidence.